A map has a scale of 1 centimetre to 3 miles. On the map, the distance between two towns is 7 centimetres. What is the actual distance between the two towns? Include units for your answer. So we've got 1 centimetre is 3 miles. So I want to know how much is 7 centimetres. So I'm going to show you how you can do this using proportion or just using a bar model to visualise it. So to give a 1 centimetre to 7 centimetres, I need to think, well, what do I times by? Well, you times in by 7. So you need to times in by 7 on this side. So it's 21 miles. Now the way that this works is, what if I said that 1 centimetre can be represented by this box here? So that's 1 centimetre. And that 1 centimetre in real life represents 3 miles. Now if I wanted 7 centimetres, then I would need 7 of those boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Altogether that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimetres. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 miles, which is what we got earlier.